Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy peel hard-boiled eggs. Okay, here is what we need. I am going to hard-boil 18 eggs. You can do as many or as little as you want. You just want to make sure that your pot of water will go about an inch over the eggs. So that's your next step. You want to fill a pot with water. Then you're also going to need a big bowl that we're going to fill with ice water and ice. Next, you want to turn your heat on to high and go ahead and boil your water. We are going to add our eggs to our boiling water. That's something that a lot of people don't do. They put the eggs in first and then heat the water. But I think this is the trick to the easy peel. Okay, my water is at a pretty good boil right now, so I am going to go ahead and add my eggs. You want to do this very carefully with tongs. Okay, I have one of my eggs here in my tong, and you just want to gently lower that into your boiling water. And you want to just go ahead and do that with all 18 of your eggs. All of my eggs have been added to my boiling water, so now I am going to cover this and set the timer for 15 minutes. Now I did crack a couple of them when I put them in there, so I had to take those ones back out, but I still have plenty to color, so just be careful when you're doing that. My lid is on, and I did go ahead and turn my heat down to about medium because it was going to start to boil over, and we don't want that to happen. And I still have 12 minutes left. All right, my 15 minutes is up, so I went ahead and moved this from the heat, and I brought it over to the sink where I have my ice bath waiting. I just filled up this bowl and put a whole tray of ice cubes in there with cold water. So now I'm just going to gently use my tongs again and put the eggs in the ice bath. After all of your eggs are in your ice bath, you can go ahead and feel the water, and if it's not as cold, you can go ahead and add more cold water. That's what I do. Now I'm going to leave these in the ice bath for 30 minutes. All right, my 30 minutes is up, and I did put some more cold water in there about halfway through, but now I just wanted to show you how easy these are to peel, so I just give mine a little crack all over like this. Usually when I do hard-boiled eggs, they're just peeling off in big cracks, and half of the egg comes off, but you can see I have no egg in this shell. Okay, here is what the finished product looks like. You can run it under cold water if you have a stubborn piece, but I am so happy with it. Usually I have huge chunks out of my egg, and you can usually see the yolk, but I will cut into this. We are going to go ahead and save the rest of our eggs because I am using those to color for Easter, so check out that video. We're going to be coloring eggs using whipped cream and food coloring, so that's going to be fun. Here is what it looks like when you cut into it. That is just so pretty. The yolks are done beautifully. They're still a bright yellow, not that green color. I just love them. Thanks for watching, and happy Easter.